Iowans continue to answer the call for help in North Carolina. A nurse and doctor from central Iowa are providing medical care to the victims affected by Hurricane Helene. Local 5's Alex Fulton spoke with the Iowans making a difference out there. Alex.
Stephanie, Dr. Molly James and Ashley Lester want to make sure all of the Hurricane Helene victims feel cared for. Dr. James owns the James Clinic in Sheraton, while Lester is a nurse at Broadlands Medical Center in Des Moines. Dr. Molly James and Ashley Lester arrived in Spruce Pine, North Carolina on Monday. They're stationed at the Avery County Airport, where helicopters are working around the clock to rescue people trapped in their own homes.
There's no phones, there's no internet on the mountains, they don't have power, so if they do have a Starlink, they need a generator to run it, and they're running out of generators.
The field hospital at the airport is just getting set up, but will soon offer medical services to people rescued.
We're concerned about a lot of dehydration. People have been without power, water, and food for 7 days. We're planning for the common things that you see when you don't have clean sanitation and running water.
Dr. James and Lester brought donations like IVs, clothes, and blankets with them to help start up the field hospital.
That's why I'm a nurse, right? Is to help people. And I just felt like I kept seeing thing after thing after thing and video after video that they're just, they just needed a lot of help.
The field hospital could eventually turn into a 24/7 operation because the need is so dire.
It's extremely scary to think that there may be people up there that no one knows they're there. They have no way to signal out. This is the most devastation anyone has ever imagined in this region.
Dr. James and Lester will be on the ground helping up until next Monday. Medical personnel from St. Louis and Indiana are there assisting at the Avery County Airport as well. Steph?